RT-720 Thin Film Drop Dart Impact Tester. This machine is designed to test the impact resistance of film materials and is suitable for plastic films and thin sheets with a thickness of less than 1 mm, with a breaking mass of 0.052 kg. Adopting the free dart method and step method, in accordance with the requirements of Method A and Method B of GB/T 9639.1 to 2008 and ISO 7765-1:1988 standard. Before testing, we first connect the power supply. For pneumatic clamping, provide a clean compressed air supply above 0.3 MPa. Then place the film test sample in place. Click the Clamp button, it will automatically clamp the sample. Adjust the height of the electromagnetic suction cup, according to the length of the dart round rod. The distance between the dart head and the sample is 0.66 m, Method A, or 1.5 m, Method B. After adjusting the height of these wiring harnesses, they can be inserted into the support column slot. There are 3 darts here, 2 for 38 mm head and 1 for 50 mm head. Let's first conduct a test for Method A, selecting a long rod dart with a total weight of 200 g. After adding the weight, tighten this locking ring. Finally, screw on this suction block. Then use the electromagnet to attract the entire set of darts. We set a weight of 200 g on the screen. The default impact deviation is 10 g. Test method, choose A. Then click Fall key. The sample is broken. We click on the broken button on the screen. Then the current weight on the screen will automatically decrease by 10 g, becoming 190 g. So let's reduce the weight by 10 g from the drop dart. Tighten the locking ring and suction block again. We will install samples of the same specifications and test them again. The adjustment of the dart's mass by adding or removing weights is determined by whether the previous sample was punctured. After testing 20 samples, calculate the total number of punctured samples, n. If n equals 10, the test concludes. If n less than 10, supplement additional samples and continue testing until n reaches 10. If n greater than 10, continue testing with supplemented samples until the total number of unpunctured samples equals 10. The number of tests must be 20 or more times. The OK time reached 10 times, it will print automatically.